Generative AI has opened up new frontiers in image creation and manipulation, but it often falls short of offering true creative control. Especially in today's dynamic world of graphic design, where artists and designers demand tools that seamlessly keep up with their creativity. So, in this project, we aim to bridge this gap by empowering creators to take control of AI generative models, offering an interactive experience that unleashes creativity like never before. I am excited to present you Layered Diffusion Brushes. Layered Diffusion Brushes enables real-time image editing with fine-grained region-targeted supervision alongside prompt-based controls, allowing users to stack layers of precise modifications while preserving the integrity and context of the original artwork. As you see in this video, a user is able to easily apply multiple layers of edits, modify previous edits in real time, for example, by painting with the brush over the desired area, hide or unhide, and easily switch back and forth between edits, just like Photoshop but with the power of Gen AI. At its core, Layered Diffusion Brushes uses a latent diffusion model-based approach. The backbone of the system first extracts two latents during the normal diffusion process. Then, it injects a new noise sample into the original intermediate latent using a user-specified mask, basically to create a new latent for performing edits. This new latent then undergoes the diffusion process using the edit prompt and generates the edited image. A separate logic keeps track of layers and ensures the overall integrity of the image by merging edited latent with the original layer. Users can either use the box option to move over a desired area and generate different variations simply by dragging the cursor, or they can create a mask to target the area of interest and use the scroll wheel on the mouse, or swipe up and down if on a phone, to generate multiple variations and scroll back and forth between them. Our user interface is built on top of a highly optimized pipeline which allows users to upload or generate images with prompts and perform real-time interactive edits. Note that the clips in this video are not sped up in any way, and thanks to the algorithm's efficient design, our method achieves real-time performance on a high-end consumer GPU. In this example, we demonstrate how users can start with a simple image and creatively add different components or merge different styles. The real-time and interactive aspects of Layered Diffusion Brushes provides the necessary control that real users need. We are super excited to see the applications of this tool in practice, and we believe that this tool has the potential to basically change the way artists and graphic designers, or even all the users, interact with generative AI, and we're looking forward to it.